What's up, good people? I'm Zay. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I am out on a morning walk around the lovely lake that we have around our house. And while I was out on this walk, I figured, why not go ahead and do my video, right? So today's video, I'm gonna be giving you 5 stocks that you should buy and hold forever. And if you watch this whole video to the end, I'm gonna even tell you how you can spot when it's a good time to buy these stocks, right? So a lot of people ask, what stock should I buy? Because I'm a little confused, there's so many out there, I don't know what to do. And so these are gonna be 5 stocks that I think you can buy and hold forever, ever. Like, you buy it, you don't never have to worry about selling it because it's that valuable. So if you want to know what these 5 stocks are, take a quick glance at the lake and stay tuned. All right, so the first stock that you want to buy and hold forever is Amazon. Amazon. I mean, Amazon is a monster. There isn't a business or industry that Amazon is not trying to get in. So therefore, you need to be adding Amazon to your buy and hold portfolio. Like, even if you got to do fractional shares, which are offered on Robinhood, as well as I believe Charles Schwab is now offering it, and Cash App, WhatsApp, or not WhatsApp, Cash App. You can buy fractional shares there. So Amazon is the first company you need to be buying and holding forever. The second company that you should be buying and holding forever is Google. Google. Everybody knows Google. When we say we're gonna search something on the internet, what do people say? Google it. Google. Like, once your business becomes a verb, as people use it to describe things or to do things, that's how you know you have a brand that's like submitted. You know what I mean? Like, it's your brand's not going nowhere. It's cemented in our everyday life, and Google is one of those brands. And so I believe you should be buying and holding Google stock forever. So that's number 2. So the third stock that you should be buying and holding forever is Apple. Of course, it's another powerhouse, another $1 trillion company. But again, Apple has brand loyalty. I'm recording this on my Apple iPhone. I have a MacBook at home. Like, my wife has an Apple Watch. So like, they're gonna make it, Apple makes it really hard to switch. Shout out to my guy, Wall Street the Trapper. He talks about moats and basically competitive advantages. And Apple's competitive advantage is just ridiculous. So the third stock that you need to be buying and holding forever is Apple. The fourth stock that you should be buying and holding forever is Microsoft. Yes, power company number 4, Microsoft. As you know, we are in now a work from home economy, and which business was vital to keeping all of these connections and keeping everybody connected? Microsoft. Microsoft has been around for many years. It's an enterprise, I guess, how would I explain it? It's like an enterprise platform. You got Microsoft Teams, Microsoft Azure Ops, I think. Tore that one up. But anyway, you get the point. Microsoft has a lot of products. They also have gaming. What else? They do cloud. So they're starting to eat away at, Amazon's AWS clouds holding. So Microsoft has a lot going for it. So that's just another company that you should buy and hold forever. Not to mention, guys, all 4 of these companies that I mentioned, when the Internet of Things come, best believe they will be at the forefront. And that's gonna be like $1 trillion business. So That's why you need to be buying and holding those 4 companies I just named. And I'm gonna get to number 5. So the 5th and final stock that you should buy and hold forever, and it's not even a stock. I'm gonna just give you that disclaimer now. So I know I said 5 stocks, but this last one is actually an ETF. And it's the ETF VTI, Vanguard Total Market Index Fund. Now, the reason why I say you want to close out your portfolio with this one right here is because it gives you exposure and diversity to the total stock market index. So all of the other companies that are on the stock market that you don't own, if you buy this ETF, you now own a small piece of it. So yes, I am advocating having 4 tech companies and 1 ETF. Now, of course, I'm not a financial advisor, so you do need to do your own due diligence. However, I think this would create a powerful portfolio for years to come. And I think you're invested in the best businesses. So as promised, now that I've told you the 5 stocks you need to buy and hold forever, stay tuned because now I'm going to show you how to actually find good entry prices. All right, guys, I'm now going to show you how to spot a good entry for the 4 stocks in the ETF we just talked about. So let's start with Amazon. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to tradingview.com. This is free. You can sign up for an account so you can get some extra added features, and that is free as well. But you just need to go to TradingView. You're going to type in Amazon, ticker symbol AMZN. You click there, right? Now it's going to take you to this cool page. It's going to give you all this awesome information. At the end of the day, what you're going to want to do is click here where it says full feature chart. It's going to give you this pop-up here, right? So now you have this chart, and then from some people it may be weird looking, for others it may not. But what I'm going to tell you to do is that you will want to go here, change this to candles. So you click this bar, hit candles, and change this to make sure this says daily right here, one day chart. Now, actually, let me remove a couple things. All right, so here's what you're going to want to do. You want to go to this FX right here where it says indicators and symbols. There we go. This is the one you want to click by Sarge 14. If you have the free one, it will let you. And you just click that and it'll pop up. So you see how I have 2 here. So now I can get rid of 1 and now it's here, right? So this is the exponential moving average, 50-day, 200-day. So the 50-day is the green one and the 200 is the red line. So once you add that to your screen, guys, all you need to do is wait for the price to hit this line or that line, and that's good entry points. Now, if you want, now here's how you can gauge different entry points if you don't think it's going to get that low. So 2 good entry points for Amazon would be around $27.66, $22.75. Great prices, right? That's on a daily. Now you can change this to a weekly and you get a different view, right? Now it still has you around 22.11 for a 50-day, and then 16.13 would be the next entry. And like if it got down here, you should unload the boat. I mean, put every penny you got, because good God almighty, that would be a heck of a steal for Amazon. Now, the last one I want to show you is a 1-hour chart. This is going to give you a more closer look if you're like short-term trading. So good entries would be 30.43 or 29.55. So as you can see on the 24th, which was Friday, you know, Amazon dropped all the way down to as low as 28.91. So people were buying that up, as you can see, with conviction too, all the way back to 3,000. So it looks like it's building a solid base around this 3,000 price point. And literally, guys, you can do that for any of the stocks we talked about. So I'll give you one more. Let's go to Apple. Same thing. Look at that on the daily. The mark was 353.62, and then you had 299.31, so basically $300. Now, on Friday, Apple was as low as 356.58. So it came pretty darn close, man. And then look, we had a big green bar. So a lot of people did some buying. And because it was at a good price, you got a good deal. And then you could just do the same thing, guys. Literally change it to 1 hour, and then you can look. It's below both of these lines. So, you know, a good entry price, 379, 376. You know, it was below 368 for a good minute. So as long as you're getting it under that 370, that's a good price, you know, for the short term. You can look at it on a weekly. If it ever got down to 289 or what's that, 210, yeah, I would be unloading the boat. And it actually happened back in March. And yeah, whoever got it here got a heck of a steal, because as you can see, it went straight up. So guys, that is the exponential moving average. You can use that for any stock. Literally, you go to TradingView, type in the stock, type in to use this indicator. I showed you here. You go here, EMA 50, 200. You click that one. And literally, that's how you can pick an entry point for any stock. So guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope you like the stocks that I picked. I hope you enjoyed this extra bonus special right here. This is like, not a lot of people know this, and I feel like this is a great gem. So if you like this video, go ahead and make sure you give this a thumbs up, as well as don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And until next week, guys, stay blessed and peace out.